Is EA in play? Yes, Electronic Arts, the video game company, shares surging in early trading. And here's the reason why. There are reports in a South Korean newspaper that suggest that Japanese online gaming company Nexon might be interested in making an offer for the company, and that's why the stock is up as much as it is. Any investor that is thinking of buying EA because of this reason needs to be extremely careful. EA has been a rumored takeover target on and off for many, many years. I remember there were lots of times when people were wondering whether or not Disney would buy EA because EA has all those sports games and that would fit in well with the ESPN franchise that Disney has. And speaking of ESPN and EA, the two of them recently ran a kind of March Madness-like bracket to determine who would be on the cover of one of EA's hottest games, Madden NFL 13, coming out later this summer before the next football season. Good news for Calvin Johnson, perhaps, or maybe bad news if you believe in the Madden jinx. The Detroit Lions wide receiver is going to be on the next cover of Madden NFL 13. Anyone who follows football closely knows that a lot of times when you're on that cover, you may not have a great season. Any Cleveland Browns fans or fantasy football people who had Peyton Hillis last year probably ruining the day that he made the cover. But again, EA is definitely a good company that's made a nice turnaround in the past couple of years. Sports franchises are huge. It's made some inroads online as well, but people do wonder whether or not EA can compete with the king of online social gaming, and that's Zynga. And Zynga is going to be reporting its earnings after the bell on Thursday, so that's another stock to watch in gaming. In particular, people will be very interested to see just how much revenue Zynga is generating from Facebook, because Facebook, in a recent IPO updated filing, noted that it was not getting as much in revenue from Zynga as it had in previous quarters. That might be bad news for Zynga, the new maker of Draw Something, after that stunning big deal for OMG Pop a couple of weeks ago.